Hey guys, today I'm going to be unboxing my new laptop, Acer Aspire 3. This has 8GB of RAM, AMD Ryzen 3, and 128GB of storage, 15.6-inch display. So let's get to this. I am now going to open it. I'm going to see it with my own eyes. Oh my god, this is just, what is this? I do not. Apology if my room is a little messy. It always is. Okay. Let's the box be unboxed. Oh, you can see it has like a Windows 11 sticker. This is the back. This is the front. And yeah. I'm gonna blur that out. Okay. Hope I blurred that out. Anyways, ooh, how do I open this? Anyone who makes these kind of boxes should explode. I'm just gonna do that. Okay. Yeah, that's the charger. This is the charging brick. I'm gonna be so nostalgic in the future. Okay. Oh, the laptop itself. Oh, never mind. Ooh. Oh. Look at that. And this is my old laptop. Kind of sucks. Looks at small at this point. Yeah, this is my old laptop. You've probably seen it in my upgrading to Windows 11 video. What else do we have? We have some stuff. Okay. We have this setup guide. We have this. What is that for? Whatever it is. And blah blah blah. Ow! Time to set it up, I guess. Actually, let's look at the laptop itself first. Here it is. Woohoo! Look at that. Has all this stuff. It has all these ports and stuff. And the laptop itself, and okay, let me set it up. Look at that. You have the AMD Ryzen 3, and you've got this. Look at that keyboard, the Windows 11 start button, and oh my god, look at the display. Oh my god. On my pad, I'm so happy. Okay. And we have this bit. And yeah. I'm gonna set it up now. This thing. My friend has a similar laptop, and he said he had something like that as well. So guys, I hope you loved that message. And make sure to subscribe. And thank you for watching this unboxing video. I know it was pretty bad, but still, I was so excited to get this. And yeah, peace out.